Have you ever wondered if a cat can be both alive and dead at the same time? Welcome to the baffling world of quantum physics, a realm where the usual rules of reality don't necessarily apply. Quantum physics, the study of the tiniest particles in the universe, is a field of science that has revolutionized our understanding of the world around us. It's like peering into the looking glass of Alice in Wonderland, where nothing is as it seems. Let's consider Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment that illustrates the concept of superposition. This is the idea that particles can exist in multiple states at once, much like a cat that's both alive and dead until we check. It's a mind-bending concept, but it's this very principle that powers our modern technologies like MRI scanners and even your smartphone. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to quantum physics. Imagine if you could be in two places at the same time. Sounds impossible, right? But in the quantum world, this is a reality. Let's dive into this fascinating realm where the ordinary rules of physics take a back seat. The first principle we'll explore is superposition. Think of a coin spinning in the air. While it's spinning, it's neither heads nor tails, but a bit of both. That's superposition, the ability to be in multiple states at once until observed or measured. Next, we have entanglement, a mysterious bond between particles. Picture a pair of dice. Now, no matter how far apart they are, if you roll one and it shows a 6, the other instantly shows a 6 too. That's quantum entanglement, an instant connection regardless of distance. These principles may defy our everyday logic, but in the quantum world, they're the norm. In the quantum world, the rules of the game are very different. Why should you care about quantum physics? Well, it's not just an abstract concept reserved for the brains of Einstein or Hawking. Quantum physics has already reshaped our world in ways you might not even realize. It's the foundation of groundbreaking technologies like lasers, which are used in everything from barcode scanners to surgical equipment. It's behind semiconductors, the building blocks of modern electronics. But that's not all. The potential future applications of quantum physics are truly mind-boggling. Imagine a world where quantum computing becomes a reality. This could revolutionize everything from medicine, where it could help us design new drugs, to cybersecurity, where it could create unbreakable encryption. Quantum physics has even transformed our understanding of the universe, revealing its weird and wonderful nature, from particles being in multiple places at once to the concept of entanglement. Quantum physics isn't just about understanding the universe, it's about shaping our future. So we've journeyed into the strange world of quantum physics. We've unraveled its enigmatic principles, where particles can exist in multiple places at once and can be entangled, affecting each other no matter the distance in between. We've dived into the quantum world, a realm where the laws of traditional physics that we are familiar with do not apply. This is a world that is breathtakingly beautiful and puzzling at the same time. We've also touched on the impact of quantum physics on our lives. From the technology we use daily, like our smartphones and DVDs, to the potential future applications in quantum computing and cryptography, its influence is pervasive and growing. Quantum physics is not just a subject for the academically inclined. It's a fascinating field that has real-world implications and is changing the way we understand the universe. Remember, the next time you use your smartphone or watch a DVD, you're experiencing the magic of quantum physics. Don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending explorations into the world of science.